A new watch is great, except for having to take the links out to tighten it up so it'll fit your wrist. But with the new watches they have now, like the one I have, you could just unclamp the clasp, and it's adjustable, so you don't have to take the whole link out. And I'll show you here. All you gotta do is get the little small screwdriver that came with my watch anyway, and just pop the clasp up, and it'll slide up or down, depends if you need to loosen it or tighten it up. And once you get it on the correct size, just just push the clasp back down, and it works really good. And you see here, that's how it should fit.